Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hello everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to episode 880 of the Crypto Corner podcast. Crypto Corner was recently named one of 14 of the best crypto and blockchain podcasts by the site Your Oyster, that's Y-O-R-E Oyster. You can check out this list along with a write-up about Crypto Corner over at youroyster.com/blog/best-crypto-podcasts. Now for news today, both HIVE and HUT8 have posted updates for the month of August, and Netcoins has announced plans for its expansion into the US. But just before we jump into the show today, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, to please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, along with many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. Alright, so HIVE Blockchain Technologies Limited, which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker HIVE, has announced the production figures from its global Bitcoin and Ethereum mining operations for the month of August this year. Highlights include the production of 290.4 Bitcoins, 3,010 Ether, and an end-of-month HODL balance of 3,258 Bitcoins and 5,100 Ether. The company's executive chairman, Frank Holmes, said, quote, "In August, we produced an average of 16.7 Bitcoin equivalent per day, comprising approximately 9.4 Bitcoins per day, and our Ethereum production of approximately 97 Ethereum per day. We are pleased to note that as of today, we are producing over 9 Bitcoin, even with last week's Bitcoin difficulty increase of almost 10%. End quote. Moving along, HUT8 Mining Corp, which trades on the NasDaq under the ticker symbol HUT, has also published a production and operations update for August. Highlights there include the mining of 375 Bitcoins, an installed ASIC hash rate capacity of 2.98 exahash per second by the end of the month, and a total self-mined holdings, or HODL, of 8,111 Bitcoins. Jamie Leverton, the company's CEO, said, quote, "Our team delivered very strong results across our mining and high-performance infrastructure businesses in August, positioning us well for continued success. We continue to receive and install our monthly shipments of new micro-BT miners on time, while actively adding to the suite of services we offer our data center customers." End quote. Lastly, for today, Netcoins, the online cryptocurrency brokerage subsidiary of BIGG Digital Assets Inc., which trades on the CSE under the ticker BIGG, has announced initial launch plans for operations in the United States. Headquartered in Vancouver, Canada, Netcoins will base its U.S. operations out of the state of Wyoming and will commence in Q4 this year with the launch of its trading platform in the states of California, Pennsylvania, Michigan, and Virginia. Fraser Matthews, the president of Netcoins, said, quote, "Expanding our footprint into the U.S. gives Netcoins the opportunity to become a leading crypto platform in North America. We are focused on highly populated and crypto-friendly states. Our strategy is focused on 3 key pillars: product, experience, and expansion. We will look to use the momentum of this launch to drive our roadmap forward in each of these areas. We look forward to going live in this exciting and competitive market while working with our partners to deliver a safe and secure proposition for our U.S. customers." End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss in investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available.